Traditional publishing or self-publishing? The age-old publishing conundrum. Which one should you pick? Let's find out. Here are the biggest differences between traditional publishing and self-publishing, which will help you decide which option is right for you. With traditional publishing, you sell the publishing rights to a publisher, which means they decide how your book is edited, designed, and marketed. But with self-publishing, you retain the full rights to your book. Want to change the cover, print more copies, make a new edition maybe? It's all up to you. With traditional publishing, the publisher pays you an advance upfront, but they keep most of the royalties, around 90 to 95%. You get to start earning royalties only after the advance is paid back through book sales. With self-publishing, however, you get to keep most of the royalties, around 80 to 100%. Traditional publishing, you need to be ready for a long process. You'll probably need a literary agent for a publisher to even consider your book. And even then, the rejection rates are high. Even if you manage to get a book deal, you'll probably have to wait for years before your book is finally published. But with self-publishing, you don't need anybody's approval. If you think your book is ready to publish, you can go ahead and publish it. With traditional publishing, the publisher has complete control over your book's editing, design, distribution, and marketing. But with self-publishing, you get the same services, but the difference is that you have the final say on how your book looks and how it's marketed. With traditional publishing, your publisher may invest in marketing only if they think your book is worth it. But with self-publishing, you're responsible for all the marketing. With a solid marketing plan, you can sell your book on your own terms. When it comes to marketing, whether you pick traditional publishing or self-publishing, as the author, you are responsible for your book's promotion and ensuring that it reaches the right readers. So which one do you prefer? Traditional publishing or self-publishing? Let us know in the comments. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!